legit. Anything you want.
Why the SEC might end up delivering a favorable ruling on XRP. The missing link between Ripple and SEC could be Paul Dwyer, the chairman of the Americas and MSBA. Recently, Ripple announced the commercial availability of Rapid. It is an API that automates the whole process of moving funds instantaneously from one country to another by leveraging on XRP, an on-demand liquidity asset. Initially, and as reported by Ethereum World News, 3 companies were the first to adopt. But the entry of the Americas is a definite game-changer. In a recent publication, Ripple said, global payment providers, such as the Americas, Qualix, IDT, Mercury FX and others are using XRapid to significantly lower their liquidity costs and send real-time payments, an industry first. Why? Well, the chairman of the Americas, Paul S. Dwyer, is also the chairman of the U.S. Money Service Business Association MSBA, and the association work directly with U.S. regulators including the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission SEC. A level deeper and we can digest what this means. First, the MSBA mission statement is clear. Their main objective is to allow innovation and development of payment industry while promoting education and communication with federal and state regulators. That extract is of prime importance for Ripple as the majority owner of the coin and a company whose technology promotes the use of XRP for their cross-border payment drive. In an announcement, Paul Dwyer said, MSBA helps lead the efforts to ensure that customers get fair, safe and compliant service, and that the industry constantly seeks to team with regulators, banks, law enforcement and consumer advocates to ensure that threats to the efficiency, integrity and reputation of the industry from unlicensed operators to unjustified adverse direct and indirect regulation receive the full attention they deserve. The importance of the Americas and Paul Dwyer, with Paul at helm of a corporation with presence in more than 34 countries spread around 3 continents and with more than 76,000 cash-out points. The adoption of XRapid and XRP speaks tones about the future of XRP. Of course, a massive corporation as the Americas would not have exposed themselves and allow use of XRP if it wasn't aware of the legal and regulatory implications of the use of a digital asset which the SEC hasn't declared its stand on. The Americas must have done their due diligence, concluding that indeed XRP is a utility. As a utility it doesn't meet all the conditions set by High Test. Instead it perfectly affirms previous comments made by Michael Didiak. Michael is a former employee of the SEC, had previously stated that XRP is not a security, but rather it was a currency. In an interview, he justified his assessment saying, "Don't think XRP is a security, I think XRP is a currency. The reason why is how I test. It's a 4-factor test, investment of money in a common enterprise with the expectation of profits based on the efforts of others. The stage is set for XRP, therefore, going by these developments, chances are XRP is most likely a utility." So far, Ripple has incorporated 3 exchanges, Bitso Mexico, Coins.ph Philippines and Bittrex USD for cross-border payment through XRapid. Though there are no comments from U.S. regulators, curious investors can connect the dots. They would later realize that Ripple assertions may after all be true and SEC may end delivering a favorable ruling. Aside from Corey Johnson, the chief marketing strategist at Ripple, comments about their regular communications at the White House, Sagar Sarabhai, head of government and regulatory relations, APAC and Middle East, revealed more. Sagar is important in this wheel. We can directly link him with the recent explosion of price when he said Ripple would launch XRapid in months. True to his word, XRapid was commercially availed during the Swell conference. Sagar further said the company has been engaging with the SEC to help them better understand XRP, and that owners of XRP cannot receive any stake from Ripple. The company profitability,